Yo, what's up guys? It's been raining, it's quite wet, but it doesn't matter, me and Reese are still gonna have a tramp sesh. But yeah, let's go. Yo, I'm gonna try throw triple full first try. Since we're gonna get wet anyways, we're gonna jump onto our backs.
No way.
Let's go, Reese. Ooh, fat manus. Okay, now I'm gonna do trip full.
1 bounce, 2 bounce. Oh, yo, full 3. Oh, so clean.
This crazy guy's getting naked and he's gonna jump onto his stomach. Who knows why?
For content.
Yeah, for content. Yeah.
Oh, that's cold. I'm gonna keep flipping.
Should we go in the pool?
Fuck no. You're done.
Is that Randy? No. I was gonna say.
I was gonna do Randy, but need more warm up. Jamie's gonna try
I'm doing a girth flip.
a girth. Do heck. Ooh. Oh.
Yeah. Reese has just told me he's doing a Russian flip.
Oh, what the fuck? Wait, no.
What was that?
I don't know how to do Russian shit, bro. Like,
Are you dumb? It's like this, Reese. Whoa!
TP.
Ooh. Dove. Oh! Dove last minute. X dove side, Reese. I'll do that. Whoa. Stationary vert. Dub or twit, trip, what did I do?
Oh.
Yes!
Oh, that's so cold.
Ooh. Yes. That was clean, I'll lie.
Oh. What?
Was it undertucked? Yeah. Reese is setting for triple back. Go. Oh. Yeah, that was so clean.
Just gonna try full half, Cody full front flips. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Blinded, but I do half spin.
Land. Yes.
Oh, it's so skid.
We're gonna have a skid dog set.
Skid dog chase. You are. Oh! Line.
Yeah, I gotta do that now.
Oh, it counts. Not. What?
Go. Oh, nice.
Ah, it hurts my back. What's the? Oh, wait.
Guys, Reese managed to pull that combo to quad kaboom NDB, but unfortunately, yeah, landed. But unfortunately,
You can't believe this. Look, I am chasing so much, bro. Look at me.
the GoPro died, so I've had to switch to my phone with the Fisher.
Maybe I'll put the Pokemon again.
Yeah. Tell me, guys, tell me if you see any difference, because it's fisheye and it's 4K 60. It's like my phone and the GoPro are the same things. The GoPro will be probably better. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. Now, this is a combo we're actually going for because we decided to be dumb and pull quad kaboom, landed out of it. Yes, this one. Oh! You good?
Yeah. It's alright. No, anyway.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try the slidey kaboom to Cody. It might be pretty hard.
YOLO. Oh.
I can do that.
Second try.
First try.
Oh yeah. Pull, 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 pull. Oh yes. Line it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Oh shit, fudge. Oh my god. Oh, yo.
Yeah. Yes, huck. Yes.
Ah, yo, first try. You get that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, no way.
Oh, that was so clean. Should I try it? Yeah. Try again.
720. Not fun.
No, try again with high tech. Yes.
Yeah. This is a 6 angle. Oh, yes.
Landed.
Oh yeah, bro, counts.
I got so lost.
Damn, GG. Go.
Yo.
Oh my.
Yeah. Yes. Now let me do my flip and then the video's over. Guys, if you have any Clark, rectangle, super tramp, any type of tramp like that you want to sell, I'll buy it off you. That one's breaking, that one over there. It's just forcing me against my will to record him doing another trick with these guys. That was way better, but I didn't record it.
Imagine. Yeah, yeah.
And the video is over. Cue the outro.